In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the Google Ads library. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or someone just dipping their toes into the world of online advertising, understanding how to navigate and utilize Google Ads is crucial. The Google Ads library is a treasure trove of your advertising assets, and knowing how to access and use this library can significantly enhance your advertising efforts. Let's dive right in. When you log into Google Ads, you're greeted with a dashboard full of options and information. To begin with, head over to the overview page. It's important not to rush through these initial steps. Each section of Google Ads is meticulously designed to offer you comprehensive control and insight into your campaigns. Once you're on the overview page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. Google Ads is user-friendly, but it's packed with tools and features. Knowing where everything is can save you a great deal of time in the long run. The next step involves a bit of navigation. Look towards the top of your screen for the Tools and Settings icon. This is your gateway to a myriad of functionalities, including the one we're interested in today, the Shared Library. So, hover your cursor over Tools and Settings. You'll notice that as you do, a drop-down menu appears. This is Google Ads telling you, here's everything you can do. In this drop-down menu, you're looking for the Shared Library option. The Shared Library in Google Ads is exactly what it sounds like. It's a space shared across your campaigns where you can manage and access important resources such as audiences, bid strategies, and, crucially for us today, the asset library. Go ahead and click on Shared Library. This action navigates you to a section where you can manage and view these shared resources. Think of it as a central hub for efficiency, where instead of setting up things repeatedly across multiple campaigns, you can manage them in one place. Now we're at the final leg of our journey today, the asset library. Within the shared library, look for the option labelled Asset Library and click on it. The Asset Library is a comprehensive repository of all the creative assets you've ever used or plan to use in your campaigns. This includes images, videos, ad copy and more. What's fantastic about the Asset Library is how it streamlines your work process. Need to use an image you know performed well in a past campaign? It's right there in the Asset Library. Want to repurpose a piece of ad copy with a few tweaks? Again, the Asset Library makes it accessible. By having a centralized place for your assets, Google Ads not only helps keep you organized, but also enables you to effectively leverage your best creatives for maximum impact. In summary, checking your Google Ads library by navigating to the Asset Library through the Shared Library is more than just a technical exercise. It's about ensuring you have the right tools and resources at your disposal, organized and ready to be deployed. It's about streamlining your workflow to focus more on strategy and less on searching for assets. And ultimately, it's about enhancing your campaign's efficiency and efficacy. Remember, the platform is designed to be intuitive, so don't be afraid to click around and explore. The more familiar you become with Google Ads, the more you'll be able to unlock its full potential for your campaigns. That wraps up our guide on how to check your Google Ads library. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Google Ads is a powerful platform, and mastering its ins and outs can truly transform your advertising efforts. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and watch as your campaigns soar to new heights. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you success in all your advertising endeavors.